Hi everybody, it's Ashley here from the Southern Plains Life channel, and again today I'm going to show you another tip that you can do yourself to save you money on some routine vehicle maintenance. And today we're going to be changing the wipers on a 2013 Toyota Sienna. Okay, as you can see, the wipers on the Toyota here are shot. The blades are coming off on the wipers. So I'm going to show you how to change these out real quick, under 5 minutes. It's typically something that the auto shop place will charge you an extra $20 for, so this is just a quick way to show you how to save about $20. Okay, I already went and picked up the replacement blades for this. I just got it at a local parts place. I got the Bosch. You can get the OEM wiper blades if you want. I just went with the Bosch. They seem to be working great. I had them on a couple other vehicles. Haven't had any problems with it. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, first you're going to want to come over here to your wiper and just lift this up right here. If it breaks off, that's okay. You have a replacement right here that you're going to be doing, and you're just going to lift this up, turn it all the way out, just push it inward, and it comes out really easy. You're going to take your replacement blade, lift this up, push this in there, and then just move it back and lock it down. Just that quick and that simple. And the other one's just like the other side. Just lift that up and flip it. And move it. So again, it's just like the other one. Just put that in there, slide that in there, let it click, and clamp it down. It's just that easy. Okay, just another quick video for you guys on the way to save money if you're on a budget. Again, the total cost was about $40. If you would take it to a shop, it would cost you another $20 on top of that. And it took me less than 5 minutes to replace those blades. If you like these type of videos, please subscribe and comment below. Thank you.